Spilled something on your carpet? Don't panic. Here's what to avoid, and how to fix it the right way. For common stains like coffee, food, and pet accidents, use a carpet-safe stain remover. If you don't have any, mix equal parts of warm water and vinegar. Apply it carefully and let it sit for a few minutes before begin by brushing gently in small circular motions with a soft bristle brush. When it comes to stains, blotting is better than rubbing. Rubbing can push stains deeper into the fibers, making them harder to remove. Always blot gently to lift the stain without spreading it. A thorough vacuuming is your best defense against dirt and allergens. Move slowly and in multiple directions to lift debris trapped deep inside. This simple step can make a world of difference in maintaining a clean carpet. For a deeper, safer clean, consider professional cleaning with USA Clean Master. Our industrial-grade equipment ensures top-quality results. Contact us today to book your appointment and experience the difference.